Hello MYP5, this is just a short video explaining the answers to the Venn diagram problems presented by two of us here. Okay, so here we go. And the first question was 11 students are asked if they like rugby and if they like football. The Venn diagram shows the results. What is the probability that a student at random likes rugby and football? So the Venn diagram shows that there are 3 such students that like rugby and football out of a total of 11 in the whole thing, and it tells you 11 here, so it's just 3 out of 11. And then it says on the Venn diagram, shade the region R dash intersect F dash. So R dash is everything that's not in R, so everything outside the R circle. F dash is everything that's not in F, everything outside the F circle. And intersect means it's got to be in both of those things. So it's got to be, excuse me, so it's got to be not in R as well as not in F. So it's everything that I've shaded yellow there that's completely outside both of them. So they've got to be outside R and also outside F. Okay, and then it says for the next question, shade the required region on each Venn diagram. So you've got A dash union B. So A dash is everything outside of A. B is everything inside of B. And then this U sign, union, means the two things combined. So the things that are outside A combined with together with the things that are inside B. Okay, so it's just got to be in either one of those or the other. So the combination of the two things is union. And then this one, A dash intersection B dash. This is a bit like the last question. So A dash is everything outside A. B dash is everything outside B. And then the intersect sign means that it's got to satisfy both of those. So it's got to be not in A as well as not in B as well. Okay, so that's everything I've shaded yellow there. Next question. And we've got the Venn diagram shows the number of elements in sets A, B, and C. And then instead of numbers, they've given you algebraic things. And then they've told you that the number of elements, so that's what that little n is, in A union B union C is 74. So that means combining everything in sets A, B, and C is 74. So if you add up all of these bits, 13, 12 minus x, 14, 20 minus x, x, 15 minus x, and 8, they should add up to 74. So that's just a question of algebra. 74 equals all those bits added up. Simplify the algebra, and you get x equals 4. You can pause the screen if you want the details of that. And then in the same question, it tells you that the number of elements, and then you've got that funny squiggly E, and that means the set of everything, the universal set. So the number of elements in the whole universe of everything here is 100. So what does that mean? So it means everything in A, B, and C, plus this extra Y that's outside the whole thing, adds up to 100. Okay, well, we've already figured out that everything in A, B, and C is 74. Well, we haven't figured it out. They told us. They told us that everything in A, B, and C adds up to 74. And then they're telling us that everything in the whole universe, the whole universal set of things that are the universe of this problem, adds up to 100. So that means that the bit on the outside that's not in A or B or C must be 100 minus 74, and that's 26. And then finally it says find the value of n, so that's the number of elements in A union B dash intersection C. Well, that needs some breaking down. So A union B is everything that's in A or B or both. But then it's got a dash outside that, so that's everything that's outside A or B or both. So that's basically the 8 and the y. And then it says intersect C, so where everything outside A and B overlaps with C, it's the bit that I've shaded yellow there, which is 8. So the answer there is 8. So just breaking that down into words, A union B dash intersects C, it means not in the combination of A and B, that's the A union B dash, as well as, that's the intercept bit, also being in C. So again, identifying that on the diagram, you can see directly that that's eight elements in that set.